Welcome back, traders. Today we are diving into the exciting world of hassle-free trading with the exchange BTCC. First up, let's talk about something that is on everyone's mind, KYC, or should I say no KYC. That's right. BTCC Exchange offers hassle-free trading with its no KYC policy, allowing you to focus on what matters most, trading. Saying goodbye to lengthy verification processes and hello to seamless transactions. But wait, there's more. With BTCC Exchange, you can take your trading to the next level with leverage up to 225x. That's right, amplifies your potential profits and dives into over 400 trading assets from cryptocurrencies to Forex and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, BTCC Exchange has something for everyone. And here is where it gets even better. Tokenize stocks, commodities, diversify your portfolio like never before with access to a wide range of assets, all from the comfort of your own home. You can trade Tesla, Apple, gold, and more on just one single platform instead of having to use multiple platforms. Now I know what you're thinking. With all these amazing features, is BTCC Exchange reliable? Absolutely. With a track record dating back all the way to 2011, BTCC Exchange is a pioneer in the industry, trusted by traders worldwide. And when it comes to security, BTCC Exchange has you covered. With an security record, you can trade with a peace of mind knowing that your assets are safe and secure. They have never had an issue with the security on their platform. Tutorial on how to open up an account on BTCC. I'm going to cover a little bit of that, so make sure you do stay tuned. So what are you waiting for? Let me walk you through the simple steps of opening an account on BTCC Exchange. So step 1, you'll go to the BTCC Exchange homepage. Once you're there, click on the register button to begin the registration process, which is right here. There are 2 ways you can create a BTCC account. You can choose to sign up with your email address or with your mobile phone number, whichever is more convenient for you to use. Choose your preferred method of signing up, email or mobile, then input the necessary details accordingly. Don't forget to put my referral code, Josh, to get up to $10,055 in trading rewards. Once you are done with that, now you'll click Next. You'll complete the verification that comes onto the screen. Once done with the verification that's on the screen, you'll enter the verification code that you've received based on your preferred method of registration. Once you've done that, you're now all set to be able to use BTCC Exchange. So now that we're done with registering, and whenever you first log back into your account, this is exactly what it's going to look like on the BTCC Exchange. It's going to show that you're going to want to claim your new user rewards for a limited time only. You get your first copy trade covered. They're also giving a new user exclusive up to 30 USDT for verifying your identity to make sure that you do that. You can also earn up to 35% commission when you refer your friends. You can earn up to $10,060 in USDT. They do also have a spin to win up to 1 Bitcoin per day. Not even just that, you can follow them on X. You can get up to 10 USDT in rewards. You can also join their weekly Reddit discussions and earn USDT rewards that way as well. So whenever we start to kind of scroll down on the BTCC Exchange, you can see the next trading opportunities on futures, also spot trading. They have sections where it's hot, gainers, losers, and new coins. As you guys can see here, Dogecoin, SUI, Bitcoin, and Ethereum's hot on futures right now. Also, the top gainers is going to be PHA, PON, GMT, Virtual, MDT. You can also see some of the losers today. You can also see some of the new coins that was put onto their platform was one of the big gainers that we have seen today. So there is a lot of opportunities while being on the BTCC Exchange. They do offer futures trading, so you can get up to 250x leverage. You can go long or short based on market trends, offering profit opportunities as long as there is volatility. They also do have copy trading available, make large gains with little capital, and all you would have to do is click start trading. And not even just that, you can trade anywhere, anytime with the BTCC Exchange. They're also on iOS, also Android, App Store, Google Play, Android APK, and API. They have over $53 billion trading volume in the last 24 hours, $10 billion in open interest, also 2 million registered users, and 13 years safe operating history like we spoke about earlier. Why choose BTCC? Exchange for a better future, established in 2011. They also have security. That is their top priority, and you can watch this video right here as well, and it explains a little bit about the security protocols that they do cover. As you keep scrolling down on the front page of BTCC, you can find the latest news. You can also find out their academy, their support center, and their online customer support if you have any issues. So what you can do now is click on here, deposit or buy crypto. Now, once you're here, you can choose a payment method with Visa or MasterCard. You can put in your payment details and however much you want to buy. They also do take a lot of different currencies. Once you do deposit, one of the big things to first go to is going to be markets. Now, while you're at markets here, you can see that the 24 highest trading volume. You also see the price biggest change in the last 24 hours. Also the hottest products. You can also see the future. You can see the spots right here. And you can also favorite the one. And you'd be able to add up to 10. You can also customize them to how you like them. So now if you go over down here to futures, you can click on futures here. It'll take you to Bitcoin on first, and you'll be able to search for the coin that you do want to play futures with. They also do have demo trading. Whenever you do demo trading, I think they do give you up to $100,000 to demo trade with. So you can practice your trading right before you go live trading. You can also click over here to go to live trading, and you'll be able to see that as well. You can also go here to change the amount of leverage that you do want to use while doing futures trading. If you also do want to go to copy trading, what you can do is click here on copy and then go to futures trading. It'll have a recommendation on the top people who's doing copy trading already. As you can come down, you can scroll back down and you can see some other people that you could possibly copy. I'm going to be one day doing copy trading. I'm just now waiting a little while so I can get that accomplished. Also, if you guys also want to take a look at it, futures copy trading guide, where they do have a copy trading guide so you can kind of go over. It talks a little bit about lead traders behaviors. It talks about copy trade and order failing, also the frequently asked questions regarding the copy trading, also an introduction to copy trading and how it is used and what it is. Also, they have the copy trading agreement and guidelines that you should follow. Also, you can click here. There's trading articles if you like trading articles to be able to read through. You can click on spot trading. This is exactly what it's going to look like. You can see the latest field. You can see the order book. You can also see the chart here on TradingView. They also have the moving averages automatically on the TradingView chart. You can see your open orders down here, your asset in BTC, also USDT here. You can also go right here to buy and to sell. Also, if you come closer here, this is where you get into your benefits exclusive to new users. They do also have campaigns. You can become a VIP user to enjoy exclusive privileges. And right here is where you can go to get your referral link. So once you go here, you can kind of see exactly how this is going to be. This is the BTCC affiliates along with the referral link, and you'll be able to come in here and see exactly your referral history, reminder history, also your reward history as well for being able to refer one of your friends over to the BTCC exchange. Now up here in the top right corner, you can go into night and dark mode just by going from the click of this button. You can also see there's some other buttons up here. Here's where you can scan to download the app. Right here is going to be their alert system notifications. Right here is where you can be able to see your profile. Here's your asset, and you'll be able to see more as well with that. And you can click here at this flag. This is going to be your dashboard where you can figure out when you do your first deposit, when you complete your first trade, also some of those trading rewards that we do talk about. And they do choose and show why should you choose BTCC, and it talks about some of the things that I talked about earlier. And you can come back down here and you can see their campaigns, their demo trading, and the referral. So they do have a lot of options for you guys to be able to choose from on BTCC. They do have a lot of trading rewards, and also they do have lower fees than a lot of these other exchanges that I've used into the past. You can come up to here. They do also have the BTCC World Trading Competition in 2024 going on right now, giving out over a total of 10 million USDT. So what you would want to do is you could have an individual trading competition. You complete and share a prize of 1.4 million USDT. Each participant can earn up towards a 6,000 USDT per month. All you would do is click register. You would also check the daily prize pool, also the weekly prize pool with the links down below. You can see the prize pool in USDT right now is total trading volume of over 2.1 billion USDT. The unlocked prize pool in USDT is currently 15,000. This will also show you that you're ranking. It'll also show you the leaderboard as well right here. So make sure you guys do take a look at that, as you'll be able to see an update on it every single hour. So here are some of the details on it. The weekly prize pool is an initial pool of 1,000 USDT with an additional 500 USDT unlocked for every 50 million USDT traded by all participants, up to a maximum of 15,000 USDT. The daily prize pool is 500 USDT with an additional $100 USDT unlocked for every 4 million USDT traded by all participants, up to a maximum of 5,000 USDT. And this shows a little bit of the prize pool distribution as well. There is a lot of different things coming along with BTCC. They are a growing exchange. I love how they choose security first. The individual trading competition rules. So now you must click register now button and complete the registration during the campaign period to be eligible for the reward. Then you would do the daily rewards will be distributed within 3 business days after each day's competition. Weekly rewards will be distributed within 5 business days after the end of each week's competition. Trading volume for the daily and weekly leaderboards will be tallied during the campaign period, and rewards would be stacked. All rewards issued for this competition will be in the form of trading funds. BTCC reserves the right to cancel the participants' eligibility of users who profit through malicious behavior and to retrieve all rewards within the account, including opening multiple accounts for additional trading funds, reusing funds on the blockchain, and other actions suspected of being illegal, fraud, or causing harmful effect. BTCC holds the final right for this campaign. The platform reserves the right to adjust the content and rewards of the campaign based on market conditions at any time without notifying users. If you have any questions, please contact the customer service team. You can scroll down to the bottom. You can reach out to customer service here. They do have support email. They also do have a listing email. You can report issues if there's any with the website. They do have a lot of guides. It is very easy laid out. I think it is a very friendly interface, and it's also a good place to trade your cryptos right now. They are also offering lower fees. You can get your first copy trade free covered. They're giving over $10,055 in trading rewards, so make sure you come out and check BTCC with a link down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching.